In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the auto-renewal of your SiteGround subscription, saving you potentially unnecessary charges for services you might no longer need. The process is straightforward and should take just a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to make sure your subscription doesn't surprise you with an unexpected renewal charge in the future. First, you need to head over to the SiteGround website. Make sure you're on the right page by visiting the main site at siteground.com. Once there, look towards the top right hand corner of your screen where you'll find the login button. Click on login and sign in using your credentials. If you have forgotten your password, there are usually options to recover or reset it, so don't worry too much about that. Upon logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your SiteGround dashboard. From here, you should navigate to the section labelled My SiteGround Account. This is typically where all your account details, plans and services are housed, so it's important to know your way around this section. Once inside your account area, locate and click on the Services tab. This section encompasses all your purchased services and it's where the magic happens in terms of managing what you're subscribed to. Next, it's time to proceed to the Settings tab. Don't overlook this step, it's crucial because this is where site configurations and, importantly, your billing and renewal settings come to life. Take a moment to explore this section, as it might contain other useful settings relevant to your needs. Now pay attention to the three-dot icon on your screen. This symbolic minimalistic design marks the entry point to more options, often overlooked due to its small size. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will unveil a list of additional options where you'll see renewal settings. Clicking on this will take you directly to the hub of your subscription renewal controls. Finally, to turn off the auto renewal, find the button or option labelled Auto Renewal Off. Clicking this will deactivate the auto renewal feature for your SiteGround subscription. It's important to monitor any confirmation prompts that may pop up, ensuring the changes are saved successfully. Before you wrap up, make sure you receive some form of confirmation, either on screen or via email, verifying that your auto renewal preference has been successfully updated. This small extra step ensures peace of mind that your preferences have been saved correctly. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to managing your SiteGround subscriptions auto renewal setting. This process empowers you to maintain control over your subscriptions, preventing unexpected charges from impacting your budget. Remember, managing subscriptions effectively contributes significantly to your financial planning and resource allocation. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share or comment. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.